Ito, Shira, yung mga box. Yung 5. Ang maingay, baby. Ito yung bag.
Huh?
Ito yung seeds.
Huh?
Ito yung plants.
What?
Ito yung mga gear. Ito yung mga
What?
animals.
Below?
Okay. Mama Shira doesn't know how to play grow a garden.
He's a noob.
Yeah, she's a noob.
Because he's not have many. He's only have 10.
Ayaw na ni Mama mo, Shira.
They have plants. He's a noob. But we have a pet.
Opo.
But we have a deer.
Opo.
Because you give it to him.
Opo, I give it to her.
Because he's smaller.
This is the box.
Look, a real tractor wrinkle.
Ito yung mga seeds. Kukunin mo yung seeds, ilalagay mo dito, and then you can tanim-tanim.
So what's ugly home?
Seeds, cell, garden. Kailangan mo to recall wrench para makapunta ka kaagad dito. Dito ka bibili ng gears. Bibili lang ako. Ito yung water can, trowel, recall wrench. Mahalaga to. Minsan lang yan lumabas. This is the egg shop. And then this is the cosmetics, mga pang display, sa recipe. Yan. Balik.